Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see some facts about deer. Yes, shall we go? Number 1. Deer belongs to the mammal group and it is a wild animal. Number 2. Deer are the only group of animals in the world to have antlers. Wow, this is amazing. Number 3. Deer's antlers are the fastest growing living tissue in the world. Number 4. Deers have excellent eyesight. Number 5. Deers have also the excellent sense of smells. It is 100 times of humans. Wow! Number 6. Deer's antlers are extensions of their skulls. Wow! Number 7. Each year antlers fall off and regrow. Who are all like deers? If you like deer, hit the like button to this video. Thanks to watch kiddies. Do subscribe for more drawings with some informations. Bye bye.